Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. Now, to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. With that being said, once your content is prepped, meaning visible on your screen, I can do it in a couple different ways, capture a screenshot. One of those ways would be by pressing volume down and power button at the same time. Just a single click like this gives you a screenshot, and you can see we have edit, tag, and share options along with the text. And after a moment, it will disappear. Now, that is one of the ways. Another way that you can capture a screenshot is using your S Pen. When you pull it out, you have this little icon right here of this pencil. When you click on it, it gives you the option to Smart Select, which is basically a more comprehensive screenshot. Comprehensive meaning it gives you a couple more options for screenshots. Instead of capturing the entirety of your screen, for instance, it will select this box, which allows you to do this. And as you can see, it shows you kind of like an outline. When you hold it, it does give you this kind of pointer where the screenshot will exactly end. So if I want to, for instance, end it right there on the little dot, let go. And from there, I'm going to click right here on this kind of like a download icon to save the screenshot. Now, there's also a couple additional methods of capturing screenshot in here. We have the free select, so just you can freely select the area and it will crop it based on your selection. We have the circular one, so just same as the box, you draw diagonally and it creates a screenshot in that diagonal cutout. Then we have GIF, however you want to pronounce it, and the pin one. The most useless one, I think, is the pin one. As you can see, when you capture it, you just kind of like, for instance, do this. And it will just be kept right there. Yes, it could be good for like a reference. So you can capture something, open up an application, and have a reference visible of whatever you have captured. So it might be useful in certain scenarios. Anyway, once you have captured all your screenshots, you can find all of them in your gallery application, and you can navigate from here to, if you're in the pictures, they might appear in the pictures, but you can also navigate to albums. And in here you'll find screenshot album, in which you will obviously find strictly screenshots and nothing else. So there we go. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.